Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Dominos Canada app is and how it's positioned. The Dominos Canada app is a food ordering and delivery platform that allows users to browse the menu and place orders directly from their smartphone, as described on official App Store listings. According to official descriptions, users can customize pizzas and other menu items using an in-app builder with different toppings, crusts, and sides. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official information, the app falls into the food delivery category and is designed to simplify ordering through a mobile interface. The app supports real-time order tracking through the Domino's Tracker feature, which allows users to follow their order from preparation to delivery. Official listings also indicate that users can sign up for Domino's Rewards, where points can be earned and redeemed for free pizza and access to exclusive deals. There are also features for saving favorite orders and reordering quickly, which may reduce the time needed to place repeat orders, based on app descriptions. According to official information, the app allows users to choose between delivery and carryout options depending on availability in their area. The app may also include access to coupons and promotions directly within the interface, although specific offers can vary by location and time. For users interested in ordering food quickly from a mobile device, this could be an option based on the features described. This app may be useful for individuals who frequently order Domino's and want access to customization, tracking, and rewards in one place. Some features, such as rewards availability or delivery options, may depend on location and account eligibility, and this is not fully confirmed in all cases. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.